Hey everyone, welcome to today's segment of Living in Hong Kong. Even though it's not really related, but we're going to attempt to make some no-bake matcha protein energy bowls. Oh, thumbnail. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So we do have a matcha lattes event coming up at our Pilates studio. And I'm going to test run some of the matcha protein balls just to make sure everything is good. And I'm going to taste test it as well. And yeah, hopefully everything will be good. Okay, so this should be a fairly easy recipe. I'll also link the recipe down below because it's not my recipe. It's done by someone under the domain of Hummus Sapien. Very clever. And yeah, let's go ahead and start with the first ingredient, which is almond flour. One interesting thing though, maybe it's just because everything is expensive in Hong Kong, but baking supplies are much more expensive. Okay, so we need 1 cup of almond flour. Damn, it's a huge portion. And don't judge me because I don't bake regularly, so if I do anything that's not typical of baking, don't just look away. Damn, that's a pretty thick flour. Okay. Then we need 1/2 cup of oat flour. So the cool thing about the oat flour that I use is that it's actually protein oats. But 1 serving is 10 grams of protein, which is pretty cool. So to make it into a flour, I just grind it up in my food processor. And that's a cool way of using the oats. Oh, my 1/2 cup is here. Because I use it for my matcha. 1/2 cup of flour. Got that. And then we need a 1/4 cup of vanilla protein powder. I use a GNC, but obviously you can use any that you want. 1/4 cup. It's going to get real messy, but it's okay. That's why we clean. Okay, that's a 1/4 cup. Then we need 1 tablespoon of matcha powder, my fave. We also got these baking measuring cups and spoons from Costco, so if you know, you know. 1 tablespoon. Let's add a little bit more for some pizzazz. And then we need 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Let's do. Whoa. Sprinkle that in. And then I need 1/2 cup of cashew or almond butter. I got almond butter because cashew butter is just crazy expensive for no reason. Also not sponsored by any of these ingredients, so if you want to sponsor me, let me know. Just saying. Okay, I've got about 1/2 cup of almond butter here, and we'll put it into the mix. And then 1/2 cup of maple syrup, but I am going to use honey instead because I have more honey, and it's kind of hard to find maple syrup here for a decent price. Ironically, we can easily get that in Canada. I did 1/2 of a 1/2 cup, so it's a 1/4 cup. Mathematician. My thing. I know this is a little weird, but trust the process. Oh, I need to add a little bit of water. 1 tablespoon of water. And doop. Okay. Now let's mix. Just so satisfying to see everything turn green. Mix. Oh.
Oh, can you tilt it up so there's a bit of light?
Okay, I'm gonna mix it properly. I'll try to get this out.
So it's wow, nice.
Okay. Wait. Look at this. To all my matcha lovers out there. Love you! Thumbnail. Gloves for hygiene. Are you snapping me?
Oh, snap. I rap.
Hey,
Big cat.
hey,
Okay.
hey, take fast.
Oh, that was good.
Is this for Snap?
This is for your Insta story.
Thanks. Behind the scenes. Okay. There we have it, guys. Don't fall down, don't fall down. The matcha protein balls! Oh! You didn't see that. Anyway, so those are the matcha protein balls. We're gonna put them in the fridge, and I think they should be cooling for about 10 minutes or so. At least I think it'll be more enjoyable once it's a bit cooler. We'll do a quick taste test. I'll let you know what it tastes like and any suggestions for the recipe after doing it on my own. But yeah, let's take a pause. Okay, 10 minutes after we took it out of the freezer, let it chill for 10 minutes so it's cool. But it's still gonna stay a consistency like a cookie dough texture. So let's each take one.
Yes, sir.
That's what it looks like. What a cutie. Cheers! Let's try it.
That's good. That's really good. Wow.
I think if we keep it in the fridge to make it a bit more cooler, it tastes pretty good. Wow. This with the matcha latte would slap.
That's fire. Is there any
Thank you
chocolate in there?
watching.
Is there chocolate in there?
Almond butter.
Oh, that's so good.
I'll link the recipe down in the description box below. If you like these videos where we make recipes together, let me know. I'll make more of them. Thanks for watching.